Hello friends, I am Professor Fayaz Kharadi from Department of Mechanical Engineering. Today I am going to discuss the topic of spur gear from the theory of machine subject. The content of the topic is introduction of spur gear, function of spur gear and advantages of spur gear. Gears are defined as toothed wheels which can transmit power and motion from one shaft to another by means of successive engagement of teeth. As power is transmitted from one shaft to another shaft, so gears are always used in pairs. In the pair of gear, one is always smaller wheel and other is always larger wheel in size. The smaller wheel, which is mounted on electric motor shaft, it is generally called as a pinion, and pinion is getting power from electric motor, so it is called as a driver. Pinion is meshed with another wheel which is larger in size and it is called as a gear, and it is getting power from pinion, so it is called as driven. So in gear pair, smaller wheel is a pinion and larger wheel is gear. In the gear pair, when the pinion will rotate in clockwise direction, at the same time gear will rotate in anti-clockwise direction. The function of gear drive is to transmit the mechanical power. Secondly, it is used to obtain different velocity ratio. For obtaining different velocity ratio, it is necessary that one wheel is of smaller size and another wheel is of higher size, as shown in figure, as you can see in this figure, so that you can obtain different velocity ratio at output side. Third function is to change the torque at output side, and it is always used to maintain constant velocity ratio. The next is advantages of gear drive. The most important advantage over the other drive system is it has no slipping. That's why it is called as a positive drive. In case of belt drive and chain drive, there is small percentage of slippage. In case of belt drive, the belt slips over pulleys, and in case of chain drive, due to the polygon effect, the chain slip on the sprocket. That's why it has again high efficiency over belt drive and chain drive. The pinion and gear is mounted on the shaft and the center distance between both the shafts are small. That's why size of gear drive system is compact as compared to belt drive and chain drive, and it is again more reliable than other drives. So these are all basic information of spur gear drive. Thank you so much.